Have you ever had this weird bug with Google Slides? I've been having it since yesterday with the show anyway, but if I just keep on pressing show anyway, it shows it anyway, so I will just do that. My talk is called Your Regional PyData Needs You. So I was just wondering, I mean, this is a cool conference, but has any of you ever visited like a regional PyData meetup before? That's cool. It's like 30%-ish. I just want you guys to be like aware that there's like lots of local chapters of PyData, and they like host regular events all across Germany and Europe and the world basically. And they can be a lot of fun. One question, is anybody here from Hanover? Hanover, raise your hand. There's like one guy from Hanover over there. There's no meetup in Hanover. But good for you. I added a link where you can start a meetup, so you're welcome. It's really, really easy to start your own local branch of PyData if there's none around. It's very informal, and we're usually very, very easy to work with. Why do I say we? Because I actually participate in organizing PyData Südwest, which contains Heidelberg, Karlsruhe, and Mannheim. And right now we have 846 members. My New Year's resolution was to have 1,000 members. I was, who could I possibly talk to have 1,000 members by the end of the year? By the way, at the end of this talk, there will be a QR code. I know it takes a little bit to start your QR code app on your phone, so maybe you want to do that now. So I just want to show you a couple of pictures. We have one awesome speaker. We have even more awesome speakers and cool, awesome speakers, like her as well. We have many, many, many speakers, and we have also really cool people. We have a really nice community, and this is basically how a local like PyData meetup can look like. It's very fun. It's very, very convenient. There's free food as well, and we have like one really big fan. His name is Alexander. He's also a little bit involved in the organization here. And so, yeah, basically, to sum it up, if you want to attend your local PyData, that's great. If you want to speak there, that's even better. If you want to speak at PyData Südwest, that's even more better. And if you want to sponsor or organize, that's possibly the best. Thanks a lot to the guy from Hanover. Round of applause. Woohoo! So that you guys have the time to scan this QR code with your phone, with the app that you have, I will have to speak for around 15 more seconds. I looked up some tractor jokes in the meantime. What do you call a tractor that can turn into a robot? A transformer. Thank you, that's it.